Hello everyone, welcome to Fit Kitchen. In today's video I come up with a simple face pack which I used in my daily life. So every weekend I used to follow this face pack and I do apply this face pack for my healthy and beautiful skin. So before starting this face pack items, so I would like to request all my subscribers, please, those who are new subscribers or a current one, please follow my all videos and subscribe my channel The Fit Kitchen so that you can come up with a lot of different varieties of videos, guys. So have a nice day, guys. Let's start the face pack. Hello guys, welcome to Fit Kitchen. In today's video I come up with the simple skincare routine and I will show you the super easy skincare pack for best glowing skin. What are the ingredients we needed? We need beetroot and curd. Okay guys, let's talk about the beetroot benefits. Beetroots are very good for your skin. It's very good for to help you to hydrate your skin, and it can help you to remove your irritation, redness, acne, and it is also a collagen production. Beetroot contain vitamin C which helps your skin to produce collagen and protein that keeps skin firm and elastic. Okay, so it is also very good for the skin tone. Beetroot can help fade the hyperpigmentation and promote even a skin tone, lip color. Beetroot can help lighten the color of your lips, so it is very good for your skin. Let's talk about next curd. What is the benefit of it? Is a anti-aging. Curds are very good for, and it will help you to reduce the appearance of the fine lines and wrinkles, and it remove your acne. And curd is used as a cooling property, can remove your that sunburned skin, reduce the redness and inflammation. So let's start the pack, guys. I will show you step by step what are the things you need to do. Yeah guys, take 2 tablespoons or more based on your usage curd. If you want more you can take it. And this, after boiling the beetroot, you can take the liquid like this, squeeze and take the liquid like this. Okay, so based on the thickness you can use it. Mix it properly, mix it until it look like a fine paste. If you want more liquid you can add it. Now our pack is ready. Before that I want to show you need to massage your face. I will show you what I do for my skincare. Let's go. Hi guys, let's start applying the face pack. You need to cover your face entirely. Use any brush. I use this from last many years, almost like a 4 to 6 years. So it helped me a lot for removing extra dirt and given me clear skin. So you can also try. That's why I was sharing this with you. It's really good and it is not harmful, guys. Please try. Those who interested in face pack, they can try. under your eyes, your entire face, neck also I am applying. Now comes the neck part. Apply this all to your neck, face. Guys, so it will hardly take 10 minutes to dry. Make it a thick layer, okay? So it's completely depends on you guys if you want a thick one or a thin one. So it's really good for the skin. Let's wait for 10 minutes, then we can wash it off. I will show you after 10 minutes how the skin looks, guys. So this is very good who wants the clear skin and want to remove that extra dirt which whenever you go outside or in a sunny day. So it is very good, guys. So let's wait for 10 minutes and remove and wash it out. Guys, I'm back. I washed the face, as you can see. After 10 minutes you can remove the face pack and you can see the pinkish glow which is only comes due to this beetroot. So it's really good, you can also try. And after this, whoever want, like, they can stop here. What I do is I take little bit of coconut oil, apply on my face after this face pack. So apply it on your face, complete neck and your entire face. Then I will massage. So this is a massager, you can get it from Amazon, hardly like 300 rupees. So this is best for once you use the face pack, and you can use this massager. I will show you what I do. So after applying the oil, you have to massage like this way upwards. Hardly you can do this for 10 minutes and it will make your skin even more toned and your neck muscles or a face muscles more active and your skin looks more good. So you can try this. 10 minutes you have to do this roller massage. So it will help your skin a lot. It has a lot of benefits, guys. Please try. You can go like this and different ways, like can use it roller on this way also. So this is also you need to leave for 10 minutes and wash it off. So that is it for guys this video, and please subscribe my channel The Fit Kitchen so that you can come up with more skincare or well nice cooking recipes or more. So have a nice day, guys. Take care. I see you in next video. Bye bye.